Namaskar, welcome to part 2 of this particular choreography. If you have not checked the part 1, I will link it over here and in the description box below. It is must that you need to watch this first and then come here. Now let's begin. Next line is Anayakaikanayakam vinashate bhadaityakam. Now for that we are going to go towards the right pataka, hasta vinyog. Which is this vinyog? If you know the vinyog, comment below and let me know. Okay, so this you are going to do the hand movement and 1, 2, 3, 4 and above it, shikhara. Okay, your right foot will go ahead, back foot will be sutri. So Anayakaikanayakam. Don't cover your face, it's here. Okay, now the left side we are going to use 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So vinashate kadaityakam. 4 steps. You are going to use, which is this hasta? Also let me know in the comment box below. You are going to show the tusks of the demon. Okay, so we are going to go towards this side using this foot, left, right, left and right. So you are going to do this movement. How it's going to look with the music? Anayakaikanayakam vinashate kadaityakam. After this, Natashubhashunashakam namami tum vinayakam. For this, what we are going to use is Kartari Mukha Lunthane Tatha Vinyog. That's why the Hasta Vinyog are more important. Okay, so we are going to use one hand Latakya, one hand Kartari Mukha. So from here, we are going to start walking in front, in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4, you are going to use this as if he is taking all that cunning and the sins which we do it knowingly, unknowingly sometimes, right? Away. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, namami tam vinayakam. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to use the chatura hasta as if we are touching his feet. Namami tam vinayakam. Sit in Aramandi position. Your right hand will be trunk, left hand will be ears. After this, we are going to use the cross foot back. For the music, we are going to use this step. So it's going to be dit tit tai, dit tit tai, dit tit tai, dit tit tai. Okay. For the hands, we are going to use the ears first. Open, open. Now, kapitha nearby your stomach. Dit tit tai, dit tit tai. Let's do it until here from the top with the song which I have sung. So bear with my voice. Okay? Be ready? So you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. 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 Mudakarath Modakam sada vimukti sadhakam kaladhara vasantakam vilasi loka rakshakam. Tan tan tararatam. Anayakaikanayakam vinashate bhadaityakam natashubhashunashakam namami tam vinayakam. The next line is Nate tarati bhikaram navoditartha bhaskaram. For that we are going to show Nate tarati. So people who are negative or fight, okay, or don't believe in him. Nate tarati bhikaram, who is afraid of him. Nate tarati bhikaram. Navoditartha bhaskaram. Once you go with your right, left and right. Okay. Now you have to extend that right foot little bit back for the Navoditartha. Navoditartha is rising. Navoditartha. So Tripataka and Mukula Alapadma. Navoditartha. So you have to show the shine of that sun. Navoditartha Bhaskaram. You are the shine of that sun, rising sun. Okay. So once more. Nate tarati bhikaram navoditartha bhaskaram. The next line is Namatsurari nirjaram namami kapadurdaram. Okay. So for that we are going to use the footwork now. Okay. It's little faster. Understand how it is. Okay. So it goes takita 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 takita. So with your right foot sitting in Aramandi position. Takita 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 4 times. Okay. So the hands are takita 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 takita. So I am using 2 takitas for the hands above, which is showing the gods. 1 takita for Asura and 1 takita for here. So takita 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 takita. Okay. After this we are going to go back with this hand gesture. Okay. We are going to go with the right first. Takita takita, and then we are going to continue with takita takita again. Takita takita. Okay, with your right foot. So the whole thing is going to look like this. Takita 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 takita. Yes.